We got the king of the back patio out here today, guys. The Volunteer by TMG Pits, the best backyard smoker in America, self-proclaimed. Anyways, on our off-road package, big wheels and tires. This one's going on man John. John, we appreciate you. I know he's fired up to get this bad boy. We got the fold-down stack. That is standard equipment on the Volunteer. 1/4-inch plate steel on the smoke chamber, 3/8 on the firebox. Now inside the smoke chamber here, he did get a few extras. So we got our normal bottom grate, and then he added what we call a rib rack. Just an extra rack in there, great for ribs or chicken wings, something that don't take up too much room. Just a simple way to get a little more room in the smoker, guys. Sometimes you just gotta keep it simple. And then we got the top rack as well. Folds it back down, 2 TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometers. That's standard on the Volunteer. Now he did upgrade to our griddle top above the firebox there, as well as a 3/8 thick plate logo there. Speaking of firebox, let me open this thing up. I mentioned 3/8 pipe in the firebox, extra thick, extra long as well, 26 inches long, give you plenty of room to build that fire. Guys, that's it on John's Volunteer. About to load it up on a trailer and ship it out to him. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.